Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix charging error problem with any mobile phone. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. This particular phone is charging but charging error. You have to open it and check what's the cause. Carefully opening it. First of all, you have to check your charging port. If the charging port is working, then you have to change the IC. This very IC is the cause of the charging error. Take a good look at it. That's where the error lies. You have to change this very small IC and the problem will be solved. About to heat out, put some soldering oil, then you heat. We are on the heating process. We are trying to remove the old IC right now. Still trying to remove the IC with a hot air gun. The IC has been successfully removed. Right now we have to get another IC that is working from a dead panel. Let me say bad panel. Changing the IC is definitely the cause of the problem. This is the very IC that is causing the problem, that's giving you the charging error. Take a close look. This is where you get the old IC from another bad panel, but the IC is working. We have to replace it with that very one. Trying to heat it. Transferring the old IC to our working phone to see if the problem is solved. You have to take care, add some soldering oil for a proper soldering. Take a good look at the IC. It has two very opposite sides, one smaller side and the large side. The underside is negative while the other side controls the output voltage. Now we're about to heat it again back the board. Still replacing the IC. Make sure the IC is well heated down to the board so that you will not have partial cutout. The heating is done. As you can see, we have successfully matted another IC there, which is going to be working perfectly. So that's the old one. Clean it thoroughly to remove the oil. Right now, we have to test. You read it against your positive and your negative if they don't have any fuse. Your V charge is working, your V bat is working. Now we have to test. Start another battery. Plug in your charger. As you can see, we are done changing the IC and the phone is charging. Please like, subscribe to my channel for new videos on how to solve mobile phone problems. It's working perfectly. No charge error. It's working. That's all about charging error. With that little micro IC, everything is perfect right now, and it's no longer displaying charge error. That's how to fix it, and you have your device back. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel one more time and get the latest video I'll be dropping. Click the notification button to be notified whenever a new update is out. Bye-bye.